Ministry of External Affairs Secretary P. Kumaran underscored India's standing on the global stage as a nation rooted in an ancient civilization and rich diversity, invoking the principle of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam and Sarva Dharma Sambhav, which upholds equal respect for all religion. According to the MEA, P. Kumaran led the Indian delegation at the 11th United Nations Alliance of Civilization in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, where he delivered India's national statement at the high-level meeting of the Group of Friends of UNAOC. During his address, he highlighted the role of UNAOC in promoting harmony among nations and cultures worldwide. Hosted by Saudi Arabia in Riyadh from December 14th till 15th, the 11th UNAOC is being held under the overarching theme UNAOC 2 Decades of Dialogue for Human Advancing a New Era of Mutual Respect and Understanding in a Multipolar World. In a press statement, the UNAOC stated that the global forum comes at a critical point of history, marked by deepening divides, widespread conflicts across the globe, and fading trust in the effectiveness of global governance structure and the multilateral system. Bureau Report News Now.